Ron Atchison for IDS Car Care. Today we're going to take a look at Mother's CMX Advanced Science Ceramic Spray Coating. This particular product contains silicon dioxide and titanium dioxide. It's a simple to use spray on wipe off type coating. There are no claims on durability as far as how long it will last. I know I've used this product in the past and it easily gave me 3-4 months worth of protection. It's a very simple, straightforward product to use. So even though the durability may not be as long as some other companies claim, the simplicity of using it makes up for that. So even if you have to do it every 3 months, it's really not that big a deal. So let's get going on the car and I'll show you a couple of different ways that you can use this product, and I'll show you the end results. Okay, according to directions, there's two methods that you can use to apply this product. One is to apply it directly to a dry panel, or you can also apply it to a panel that's wet. I wouldn't apply it to a panel that's any wetter than the other half of this hood. If it's much wetter than that, you're going to dilute the product, and that's obviously going to shorten the durability on the product. So all you do is you simply spray it onto a microfiber applicator or a microfiber towel. I prefer to use an applicator. Simply rub the product in. You can use circular motion, you can use straight lines, up and down, whatever you want to do that you're comfortable with. Continue rubbing the product into the paint until it disappears. When you're applying the product, you may see some white little flakes. Don't be alarmed. That's normal. Just keep rubbing, rub those in. They'll break down and disappear. So now I've got the product rubbed in really well in that area. We'll go ahead to the front of the hood, put a little bit more product on the applicator. All you're really wanting to do at this point is just make sure that you have complete coverage. When you're rubbing it, you'll see it pretty much disappear. It doesn't totally disappear, but then on the wet side, simply do the same exact thing. Personally, I prefer to apply it to a dry panel. I don't particularly care for applying it to a wet surface. Product seems to go on a lot easier if the panel's dry. It's much easier to rub it into the panel. You're not having to try and spread out the water and let the water evaporate and all of that. Just simpler to do it on a dry surface. As to whether or not it changes the durability of the product, doing it dry versus wet, I have no idea. If it does, it's probably just a matter of weeks, or it may not affect it at all. All right, so now that I've got that all rubbed in good, simply take a microfiber towel and buff it up. Buffs up very easily. Has a very nice shine. It's nice and slick. Looks great. Very slick. Now, if you want to, you can layer this product. According to the directions, they recommend that you wait 24 hours before adding another coat. The number of coats that you can add is totally up to you. There is no limit. So if you feel like you want to do 4 or 5 layers, you can do that without having any kind of problems. Looks great, nice and slick, good gloss. So that's Mother's CMX Advanced Science Ceramic Spray Coating. This is Ron Atchison for IDSCarCare.com. You can find this along with a lot of other Mother's products, along with a bunch of other brands. We continually keep adding more and more as the weeks go on. So I hope you found the video informative. Thanks for watching.